Hey there. I am Mo, your DIY guide. Today's DIY: how to fix my car alarm. So let's start. Step 1. Pull apart the keyless entry button. Step 2. Do this by inserting your fingernail into the cracks on the sides of the key fob, the box with the buttons on it. Pull the fob apart. Step 3. Find the circular carbon discs that are opposite to the buttons. Step 4. Adjust the circular carbon discs until they are positioned exactly beneath the button that is supposed to be pressed. Step 5. Carefully push both ends of the key fob closed until they snap together. Step 6. Try pressing the button to see if it works. Some tips you should remember. You might be able to shut off the alarm itself, but then your car alarm will not go off if someone tries to break into your car. Stay tuned for more Automatics DIY tips.
Automatics DIY. Get access to DIY auto repair manuals now.